Bonjour tout le monde. In this video I'm going to recap some information about prepositions which you learned last year. You should remember by now that prepositions are little words used to indicate place. So last year we learned how to say in French, and there are a few different ways to say this. So for example, to say that you live in a house or a building, you'd use dans. J'habite dans une maison. To say that you live in a town, you use the word à. J'habite à Auckland. We also learned that there's a few different words to say in for countries, depending on whether they are feminine, for example en, whether they are masculine, we would use au, and plural, we would use au, aux. It's pretty much the same thing to say to in French. So to say that you're going to a city, town or suburb, we use à. And to say that you're going to a country, you'd use en, or au, depending on whether that is masculine, feminine, masculine, or neuter. So we'll just look at a few examples. Okay, so here we have two sentences. Je vais à Paris. Je vais passer une semaine à Paris. I go to Paris. I'm going to spend a week in Paris. Notice how both times in French we use à to say in or to Paris because it is a city. Next example, pendant les vacances, je vais en Australie. J'habite en Australie. During the holidays, I'm going to Australia. I live in Australia. Australia is a feminine country. We can tell by the E on the end, so we use en. Next one, cette année, je vais au Canada. Je voudrais faire du ski au Canada. This year, I'm going to Canada. I would like to go skiing in Canada. We use au to mean both to and in both times because Canada is a masculine country. Final examples. Après ça, je vais aux États-Unis. Je voyage partout aux États-Unis. After that, I'm going to the US. I'm traveling everywhere in the US. We use aux because the United States are plural. So just to summarize, you'll need to use this table to help you complete the notes in your workbook. So to say in or at a city or town, we use à, for a feminine country en, for a masculine country au, and for a plural country or a group of islands, we use aux. Au revoir.